Searching a rent-to-own one-bedroom unit in BGC area? Find the best property in the Philippines with Lux Manila. Hello besties, makikita natin dito sa side na to ang ating kitchen area na may complete set ng granite countertop, soft close cabinets, range hood, 2 induction cooktop, retractable faucet, and box type sink. We also have provision for the smart home device and also a video telecom na connected na sa ating lobby. Makikita natin dito ang ating complete sanitary fittings na toilet and bath. What you see is what you get. And let's go naman sa ating magiging living area and also the dining area where we can have our leisure time. And meron din tayo ditong free split type inverter aircon. At kasama na rin yan sa ating magiging bed area. Also, we have premium closet. Hotel-like na po talaga siya. Yan, makita nyo. And also, we have here our bedroom area. Yan. Ito, kasya dito ang ating queen size na bed. And we also have our balcony where we can see our beautiful view. For more info, just message me. See you in besties!